So a lot of people ask me how to go ahead and start if you have zero capital. And in this video, we'll be talking about eBay dropshipping, which is probably one of the best strategy when it comes to starting with zero capital, because what you're doing is you're listing Aliexpress products onto eBay. And when you advertise on eBay, you literally get free traffic. You don't pay anything. You only pay 10% once you get the sale. So there's literally zero upfront capital, and no one talks about eBay dropshipping. Like, people talk about dropshipping with $500, and one, $500 is pretty hard to obtain. Two, it's a very low likelihood that you as a beginner can really succeed with just $500. Like, it took me like $5,000 and testing 70 plus products to get dropshipping to work. But in order to get that $5,000, one of the strategies that I applied to get that savings was eBay dropshipping, because there were literally zero cost of goods. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing guys on today's interview. Like, I'm literally giving guys a method that anyone with zero capital, no matter what age you are, can get started into. So here's the whole tutorial on how to go up and start eBay dropshipping from the very beginning. I take you guys through every single step of the way. Here's the video. So these two websites are product research websites. It helps you find out what is currently hot and selling in Australia. So watchcount.com, you could go to different categories and see all the top selling products. When you click show me, I will show you the top selling products in that category. And when you go to Amazon, the same thing, you go to different categories and find the top selling products within each of those categories. So that's sort of a statistical way for you to learn what products are currently selling really hot. And then what you could also do is you could search Amazon.com bestsellers. So you look at all the bestsellers in the United States. And then in watch count, you could change the country to United States and find the best selling items in the United States. Because usually what sells well in the United States ends up selling pretty well in Australia. So that's sort of the product research strategy, and that's how you go ahead and pick products. So now the good thing about eBay dropshipping is you don't have to invest any capital. You can just upload products for free. If they sell, you make money. So you want to be uploading as many products as you can. When you first get started, I recommend you sort of manually upload each product on your own onto eBay. But once you get specialized, you want to start searching up tools. So there are tools out there that connect eBay and Aliexpress, where you get orders. It sort of syncs everything through. It makes uploading very easy. It sort of copies all the images over. It's like a tool that you pay for. So let's go ahead and try to upload your first product onto your eBay. So let's start by going to Aliexpress and finding a product that we think will do well. So I like to also start with Aliexpress bestsellers. So if you can maybe search on Google Aliexpress bestsellers, it will send you to the bestsellers tab. So it didn't. So what you can do is you can scroll down. So there's a lot. There was like the top brands, top selections. There's many different categories for you to find products. But that second product looks like a very good product. That second product from the top, that waist sort of pressure. And the next thing I saw was that drone, the 4K drone. That looks like a very good product. So what I do is I'll just go ahead and go into one of those listings, copy all the photos, and then I'll go ahead and upload it to eBay. And I'll mark up the price, add in like $20 to $30 depending on the price. So if a drone is, say, $75, I'll sell it on eBay for roughly $120 to make enough for the eBay fees, and then give myself a cut for my work. And then if something was like, say, $10, like that waistband, I maybe sell that on eBay for $25. How you start is by uploading products every single day. Every day you want to upload at least 5 products that you see that are really cool, using the product research methods we went over, and upload to your eBay store. Now, when you get to a point where you have 200 plus products, every single day you're going to be getting one order from 1 out of 200 products. And then you're going to continue uploading 5 products a day. And what's going to happen, just like compound interest, you're going to get 2 sales, 3 sales, 5 sales, 10 sales if you continuously upload 5 products every single day. Because every time you upload a product, that product over time gets like SEO, it gains traction, and it's just sort of compounding. So this is literally you're printing money by just uploading products with zero initial investment.
Can you show me how to upload the product, like for this one?
First thing first is you want to sort of copy all the photos. So scroll down in the description, there will be a bunch of photos. So you'll have to download, right click, see if you could save as those image.
Yeah, I can.
Save image as. And then see if you can actually, sometimes it doesn't allow you. So click save as and see if it actually works.
It does.
Okay, awesome, it does work. So now you want to save all the images to make the listing as nice as possible. I think eBay allows up to 12 images, and I'd recommend using all 12 images they offer.
Okay, just say photo 1.
Correct. And then you want to have like a drive of all your products. You will have, say uploaded products, 001, drone. And you have 12 drone images. And then the next one, 002, waste compression. So eventually you want to have like 100 folders with all your products in 100 folders. But yeah, now you could go to eBay, and then you could click sell for the title. You'd go to Aliexpress to get sort of inspiration on keywords to use, because Aliexpress is very good when it comes to keywords. So let's look at the title, and we'll come up with a nice title together.
GPS, follow me, Wi-Fi, FPV, quadcopter with 4K.
Yes. So that isn't really nice. How I'd sort of name it would be 4K quadcopter drone with wide angle Wi-Fi camera. And then obviously over time you'll get better and better with your titles.
Yeah, this sounds alright.
Awesome, perfect. And you click go, and then the category, let's see which one it would fit in.
First one? Oh, the third one?
Third one, I agree. Create new listing. You always want to create new listing.
New. Yeah.
And then you want to add in the one photo we have so far, but then you could go back after the call and then upload all 12 photos. So that looks good. The description, let's change the description.
Okay. Change.
And then now let's go back to Aliexpress and copy it in all the description that they have on Aliexpress onto here. And then obviously after the call you can make it look more nicer. But for now, just copy paste all the description, not the title. Perfect. And see how it's very simple. You want to do this and repeat this with 5 products every single day.
Okay. So just put it down here?
Underneath it, yes. And you can make it look fancier, remove the word description, remove things that don't make sense. So maybe like the color black, don't need that. Item number, you can remove the item number. Yeah, and then other than that, it looks pretty good. Yeah, that is good to go. Now you go to the pricing.
Yeah.
Now change the pricing. So let's go back to Aliexpress and see how much it costs. So select one of them. So there's many options. Select the one package. So that's a package where it comes with all those items. And now go down to ship from. Scroll down. Ship from China. Yes.
Yeah.
And then let's see how much it costs. Scroll up to see the cost. Costs $75. So you could change the currency to Australian. There's on the top, very top, you could change the currency to Australian. Now you could do that exact same thing. So I think the cost of one is $112. So how much I'd sell on eBay? Maybe I'll sell on eBay for roughly $159.99. $159.99.
Okay, so where do I put it?
So change.
Yeah.
And you'll change this, and then I'll turn off auction. I'll scroll down to buy it now.
Okay.
And I'll put in $159.99.
Okay.
And then I go to more options.
Yeah.
Yep. I allow options. That's like allow offers. That's fine. And then I could scroll down, post your item.
Yeah.
enter package details. So click I don't know package details. So if you
Yeah.
scroll up, there should be like an advanced option to turn on the advanced listing options. So if you scroll all the way to the top, switch to advanced tool, top right hand corner.
Yeah.
Perfect. This is much more familiar for me. Then you
Got
could
it.
scroll down. So what I do is I try to fill out as much details as I can, like all these options. I'd
Yeah.
fill it out as much as I can. So obviously you could do that after the call.
Yeah.
But let's go to the shipping. Duration, good till cancelled. Format, fixed price, perfect. Quantity, 1. Actually, quantity I'd put at like 3. So like, if people wanted to purchase, like there's 3 quantities, so people could buy it 3 times. The reason I'd keep it low is because eBay has a maximum amount of products you can have, so you don't want to max out. So that's why I keep it at 3. Then go down, we can go to the shipping option, payment options, you can do that afterwards. Return options, you could turn off returns.
Yeah.
Yep. Scroll down, domestic posted, scroll up.
Yeah.
So domestic, same cost, correct? And then go services.
Yeah.
Tick free shipping first on the top, on the right hand corner. Free shipping.
Free postage, you mean?
Correct.
Yeah.
Go to services. Pick that drop down again, and then scroll all the way down, and there should be like a China option. Something that's like, economy shipping from China, Hong Kong, 11 to 35 days. Yeah, that's the one. Handling time, put that down to 1 day or 0 days. Same business day.
Same business. Yeah.
International postage, do the exact same thing, flat rate. Same cost to all buyers. Services, look for the China one. Economy, China, Hong Kong to worldwide. Post to worldwide. Cost $0. Item location, you could change that.
Where do I put it?
I'll put in Hong Kong.
What's the postcode for Hong Kong? Okay, let me check.
See if you could leave it blank. See if it works blank.
Okay.
If not, then you could just search up some random postcode in Hong Kong. But that's the whole process, Ash. And then you just want to repeat this again and again, and literally you're putting in nothing but time. That's like the perfect business model. And it's going to be tough because the first 20 products you're going to upload, you're going to be sitting at 0 sales. But if you think about it, 20 products, you only put in 4 days worth of work. So this is sort of where the hard work comes in. Uploading products every single day, and sort of trusting the process and making each listing better and better before you get that first sale. Your first sale is going to be the best thing ever.
Okay. So every day I try to upload 2 products.
5 products.
5 products.
Correct. And you know how we spend like roughly 30 minutes to upload this one product?
Yeah.
Then, 5 products will take maybe, if you get really good at it, you could probably spend 15 minutes per product. So it could take like a bit more than 1 hour. But that'll probably take a lot of practice. So you'll probably get to that speed maybe after 1 or 2 weeks of doing this.
Okay. So do I save this one as a draft for now?
Save it as a draft so you could make it more professional after the call.
And that's the tutorial. I literally revealed everything. It was step by step. I guided Ash through the whole process. Nothing was left out. Very simple. I literally showed you every step of the way, and I highly recommend everyone to watch this again and again and again, because this is an amazing strategy that I've heard no other guru talk about, where most of these gurus sort of audience have very low capital, and they don't give their users a way to succeed with low capital. And that's exactly why I created this video, exactly for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys were able to learn something new, and hopefully you guys can actually go ahead and apply this strategy which I just gave to you guys and revealed to you guys completely for free today. Other than that, question of the day: what is your thoughts on eBay dropshipping? Drop that in the comments below. Other than that, all I ask is for you to simply hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Have an amazing day and week. Peace.